Today I'm showing how to basically do screen recordings, and I'm using Mac. So in Mac, basically you have to do Shift Command 5 in order to be able to see this option, so that you can use these options and then start your screen recording. The first three options over here are for screenshots. The next two are for recording, and once you select either of these two for a recording, we will see that this particular option has changed into the word record. I will show you here what I mean. So when you select the one of these two, the menu basically changes to become the word record. Once you hit the record button, you will be able to see that this over here in the top right, you'll be able to see this screen recording has started. Now if you want to even have audio, what we have to do is, from the options, we have to choose this particular menu item here, which says microphone. If you have other microphones, I'm sure it's gonna pop up here too as well. It's gonna add your microphone here, and then you select that. Currently I only have microphone, so you select that and then it starts to even record the audio. In order to stop the audio, you just have to enter this press on this icon and it will stop the recording. That's all. Bye.